Chicken and cauliflower rice soup with ginger is one of our favorite soup recipes. With just a few substitutions, this Filipino dish is deliciously low carb. First, you want to heat 2 tablespoons of oil and fry half the garlic until golden brown. Now add the onion and ginger and stir fry until the onion is translucent. Next, add the cauliflower rice and stir fry for about 15 minutes or until most of the water has evaporated and it started sticking to the pan. Now add the broth slowly, scraping the bottom bits, and bring to a boil for roughly 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Reduce the heat, add the chicken, cover, and simmer for about 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. While the chicken is cooking, you can fry the rest of the garlic in the leftover oil and set aside for a garnish later. Once the chicken's cooked, add the patis, stir, and continue to simmer over a low heat for another 2 minutes. Now add the black pepper to taste and serve with sliced limes. This recipe is great for a cold day or when you're just not feeling well. It also travels really well in a soup container. Enjoy!